illegally detained all Parties Hurriyat Conference leader Nayeem Ahmed Khan, in a message from New Delhi's infamous Tihar Jail, said that observance of Kashmir Solidarity Day on 5th February by Pakistan amply demonstrated its consistent policy and unwavering commitment towards the cause of Kashmir. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar and other leaders including Muhammad Farooq Rahmani, Sheikh Abdul Mateen and Imtiaz Wani in their statements in Islamabad said that as an important party to the Kashmir dispute, Pakistan had always advocated in settlement with accordance with the aspirations of the people of Jammu and Kashmir and the relevant resolutions of the United Nations. All set to observe the Kashmir Solidarity Day on Sunday in Azad Jammu and Kashmir with traditional zeal and zest. People and the government of Azad Jammu and Kashmir, besides all social, political and human rights organizations and abroad, to reiterate full solidarity with the Kashmiri brethren living across the line of control in their just and principled struggle for freedom. Court of India's dreaded National Investigation Agency has sentenced a Kashmiri youth to over 4 years imprisonment. Special judge sentenced Dawood Ahmed Dar for 4 years for his affiliation with the ongoing freedom movement. An Indian soldier was injured in a landmine blast in Poonch district today in Kerni area of the district. He was airlifted to Indian Army's command hospital in Udhampur for further treatment. Kashmir Council Europe will organize candlelight vigil in Brussels, the capital of Belgium, in order to express solidarity with the oppressed people of the occupied Kashmir on Kashmir Solidarity Day. BBC's documentary about violence against Muslims in India and another documentary on atrocities against the people of Jammu and Kashmir will be shown through projector. At United Nations, Pakistan has reaffirmed its commitment to continue to support the people of the occupied Kashmir. The resolve was expressed by Pakistan's permanent representative to the UN, Munir Akram. The struggle of the Kashmiri people for freedom and self-determination is legitimate under the UN Charter, Security Council resolutions and international laws, Munir Akram said. 21 structures including 19 residential houses, a masjid and a madrasa have been declared unsafe in Doda district. A mosque and a religious school for girls were declared unsafe. The situation worsened by a landslide with the number of buildings damaged reaching 21. Jamaat-e-Islami organized a seminar, Kashmir Knocking at World's Conscience. The seminar was attended by diplomats of Norway, Malaysia, Turkmenistan, Germany, Afghanistan, Russia, Azerbaijan and Iran. Jamaat-e-Islami Amir Sirajul Haq discussed the Kashmir issue with diplomats and said Kashmir is a flashpoint for nuclear war and the settlement of the dispute is necessary to establish peace in the region.